titty?
Would I say a true because I too much things me feeling at this video just before.
Bad girls step out, I'm stunting. Queen, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining. My name is Del. This is my sister Kayla and my brother-in-law Dylan. Don't forget to check out them channel. It will be linked in the description box and also on the screen. Anyways, today we will be doing True or False Boobs edition.
What do you mean by?
Hey, I'm going to ask you guys about the breast. You know the man them I love the breast.
Good topic.
The breast is an organ. True or false?
False.
If you have breast cancer, you chop it off, your body need organs, your body doesn't your breast.
The function of the breast is for a woman to look more feminine.
I am a breast.
But I said false.
False, because the
Definitely
main function of the
false.
breast have to feed
The baby, yeah.
I just
I want to look extra.
Bonus, yeah.
I want to look bonus for the man them too. But I baby for the babies.
Some
For
people
grown
want
other
them
people.
have little.
Yeah, them I feel the tingle, so a bonus for the man. But the baby, mainly for them.
I mean, the baby.
Okay,
That's the breastfeeding.
that's correct. The milk producing part of the breast is organized into 15 to 20 sections.
Okay.
I sense that's with it.
But now you have veins, now you can name a couple of that. Veins, fat, flesh, and skin.
Well, when you sometimes when you really feel the breast and you feel it's a one bag or something.
Yeah,
Something
feel
that's
well for
true.
something. When I feel up at it, you feel Would I say a true because I too much things me feeling at this video just before. Before stuff.
Yeah, but she knows say I foolishness for that and that's why she not.
Yeah.
It's true.
Yeah, so that.
The dark area on the breast is called the alveolus.
Oh, the nipple part. Around the nipple.
Yeah.
Alveolus?
Actually.
False. Alveolus in the lungs.
Alveolus something else.
That's in the lungs.
Yes.
Oh.
Man was tired.
I'm gonna have foolishness there. I can't tell man.
No, alveoli in the lungs. Alveolus are probably plural alveoli.
Me
So
that's
it's
say
in the
false.
lungs, so false.
You guys were correct. No, I look like the question is too easy. Alright, there are two types of muscles in the breast.
Oh Lord, they say you get me now.
You feel so?
Breast muscle and titty muscle.
No, much plus much when them are put in it, there's something for the surgery. Wait, what was the question? What was the question?
Two types of muscles in the breast.
Good time. Alright, hear me answer. Hear me answer.
Two type of muscle in the breast.
That's not true that.
Yeah, that's something about no, that's not like a big idiot.
You say true.
Why?
You say.
They go with the man true.
Hey, nobody come be no, not true together. Two are not said true, you know.
You're right.
It's false.
A false.
There's no muscles in the breast.
There's no muscle
I feel
in the
fat.
breast. Muscle there
A
and
fat.
there so.
Oh, a fat in the breast.
Yeah.
Muscle there.
You know,
You know,
It
say,
behind.
you must have been an idiot for true. The muscle there behind the breast because in the video we did watch, the man said them put the breast implant above the muscle.
That time Miami arms.
Yeah, him said them put the breast implant above the muscle and that make that the top of the breast weak now. So what them should I do? I dig up the meat and put it under the muscle.
Dig up the meat.
Yeah, dig up the flesh and put it under the
So
flesh.
yeah, you know what? Me there pray that.
Shit.
Well, I
Should I just continue to think about that because that me that think about. Well,
Alright, ready again? Connective tissue and ligaments provide support to the breast and give it its shape.
Connective tissue.
And ligaments.
True. Wait the fast.
Hold on,
Wait
hold
there.
on.
We know you said tissues and ligaments. Ligaments are what in books?
I think ligaments connect tissue. to
Connect
bone.
tissue, don't
The bone, no, most of the bone, something like that, and tendons connect. Ligament, or connect to the bone. Ligament are tendon. When me I say that, I true.
you know long me left something there? High school.
Ligaments.
True or false?
Was that true already?
You guys are correct.
All I can remember just the image of the tissue and the ligament, so we usually see it in the textbook.
The amount of
Mouth and breast.
No,
The amount.
Professor.
The amount of the she said the amount of
The mouth of.
Of the amount of Everest.
right.
Let's say one now.
The amount of fat determines the size of the breast.
Yes, man.
True.
True. Straight fat that.
True.
Alright. Nerves provides the sensation to the breast.
True. There's some provide sensation to everyone in nerves there.
Correct. Progesterone.
Hey, that.
Progesterone elongates the ducts, causes them progesterone.
I think I want maybe I want hormone that.
Elongates.
What is elongate?
To make it longer.
The ducts and causes them to create side branches.
Side branch and the titty tree.
So
Yeah,
the
true,
hormone
that's true.
make the ducts get longer.
Yeah, true. Because
And
remember,
develop
hold on,
side
remember
branches.
say when you're picking, your chest flat, and then you start get hormone, so you
Make it long, yes.
and
You make it
breast
get bigger and
That's how me assume.
Oh,
That's
true.
Oh.
A higher lifetime exposure to estrogen may increase the risk of breast cancer.
so now estrogen we just asked about the
No.
previous question.
No.
Progesterone.
Progesterone.
So is it yes, true or false?
True.
Choose the one.
Read the question again.
A higher lifetime exposure of estrogen may increase the risk of breast cancer.
Yes, the older you be, you're more prone to get breast cancer. And basically that's it.
The more exposure estrogen.
Correct. Most time, the left breast for most women is always longer.
I show that.
But that breast long cover my
No, that's not it.
So all you know say that all you ball out a true that like so you know something.
Every part of it.
So how are you so sure it's the
It's the left
one?
side. Which one of my breast then bigger? You're supposed to know this.
So your
See?
answers
I left one alone and push up out of the breast.
and your
True.
answers correct.
Through. True or false? Through.
During menstruation, the nipples get darker.
When we did about menstruation, the only thing I worry about is the pain and whack me when I give a look at my titty. I don't know. I don't know.
True or false?
Then I forgot, never inspect them. You gotta take a true, take a false, huh? Is it false?
What is it? What your answer?
False.
Because I don't think your nipples supposed to change color. You're not some weird creature.
The average boob weighs between 2 and 3 pounds.
Show that. Show that. Do you think you like that? No, girl.
Correct.
Look it.
Boobs.
I tell you, because most manga titty people there.
Around 1 and 2 pounds.
1 2
Yeah.
pound, that's a breast
I will
size.
tell you something, titty we are pound and them talk about, oh, that's a 5 pound. In the same, in terrible with maths. A 1 pound my titty weigh. The most me take for one of them, a 1 and a half, and my nose just 1 pound in your weigh. When you buy a pound of rice, it will be same like that for you.
It takes 1 year for a nipple piercing to heal.
Yeah, but that's
True.
right. That's true.
Probably longer too. Can navel take about 6 months. So how long it take to heal the nipple?
I think it was 6 months. That's what I
6
saw.
months.
Can navel, it takes 6 months for your navel heal.
It's
And it have
normal
a long term something.
to have a third nipple.
Pause.
No, fam, you don't know about that. Every time you buck up and me run.
The most invisible third nipple.
She end buck up and turn.
Everybody with me know a pool nipple.
It's true.
Where you say to me?
Yeah.
That no, no.
Don't see I want different species I read for girl.
Buck up and turn.
So when you talk about human, you call me back.
Turn it with
Who for after? Who? You go back up and
It's normal. It's very much normal.
Oh, normal, yeah. No,
I don't feel like normal.
Normal, so
feel like
because you
normal.
never see nobody with 3 nipples.
So if it did normal, would I see more than one people? Would I see more people?
We
with
remember,
three
so we
nipple?
don't know a lot of people. We tell say
No, but
one of the pan
See, I
the
tell me
next
say, I
one.
tell me say, it normal to have.
You know, some
Third
years
nipple.
somebody said them have 3 nipple.
Yes.
I must dream it that dream, guys.
I'm not
I
sure they
must
watch.
dream it. Yeah, I must that.
Guys, it's
The
very
feel
much
is
normal.
false.
It's normal.
I still stand by the falls because I never see nobody with the
Never
3
see
nipple.
it.
I wait turn nipple that go yes so or for the next titty.
So you walk and watch people breast to know whether or not them have a third nipple?
Well,
Oh.
no, but
And watch fair share.
poor.
You never see a turn.
Everybody when we see palm porn have 2 nipple. Nobody can tell me nah.
Alright, search it up when you go.
What 3 nipple porn?
Nipple piercing enhances the sensation when touched.
True.
True, me enough people say that.
God the answer that so.
It's true.
Yeah,
Some people lose it, lose the sensation.
There are 4
It
types
tastes
of
like
nis.
Dalapan.
whatever. Nipples.
What type of nipple? What type of
Yes.
nipple?
Flat, puffy, inverted, and protruding.
Yeah, you have the one that push out. You have the one that sink in. You have a flat one them and you have the one that always stiff. Time at time cold. Titty nipple just up so. That's true.
Sure.
That's true. Adding ice
You
to
see
the
any nipple
nipple.
already too.
Adding ice to the nipple send chills throughout your body
Oh yes.
and cause
Send
an
chills throughout your breast.
instant nipple erection.
Oh yes.
Yeah, true.
Birth control pills helps to fight nipple pain.
You think birth control?
No. Wait. Birth control make sure say you get pregnant, right? And then some birth control pill can I get rid of the pain?
Five. Take a pain pill and you
Alright,
I say nipple herb by birth control.
I may say birth control I just a control birth. There was a birth control and titty control. So methylphiles too are true too.
Yeah, correct. The average size of a nipple is the top of a spray bottle.
Then they are only the big nipple people.
No man,
them.
they might have looking Victoria's Secret back.
Like the look like the one that I have one in a million.
Yeah.
That look something like
Yeah, that's the average height.
ah, show it.
Yeah, that's the
Oh
average
yeah. Now size, yeah. in a push up like it, and all of them push up like it, but it run like it, but the same diameter.
Circumference.
Diameter half of the circle, yeah, circumference.
False. Ophelia is the name of a rare condition that causes people to born with more than one nipple.
See, that's how we tell us say you see, we did correct.
Where are that about?
It's not normal for a person have more than 2 nipples because it's a rare disform. You hear what she say? It's a rare disease. Read it. It's a rare disease. Rare, you know, mean it not really happen. So give me back my pint, goodie. Good ups. You put facts in this there.
True or false?
No, I just say true or false. False. Just don't think about it. Think about it. Just if I say.
No, but what about
fine? In our mind, you know.
Just say yo.
True or false?
Think too deep, my friend. Is it that true? And false.
No, I know that, you know.
But
Just
think
say.
yo, but think more deep already and shame myself. So right now, I just true or false.
Me I defend my point. You did say it normal and now you say a rare disease, Kazi. Give me a point. Wait, where you say name?
Ophelia.
What should we call this name?
Alveoli.
No,
Alveolus.
because me alone.
Alveolus, and that she said that didn't mean it.
Alright, wait. Alright, I'm just asking something here. False.
It's false.
See, it's just a false.
But me get my answer right. the
No,
first
it's
time.
not correct.
Remember, say some of my false question, I just fabricate.
I just read
mess up my brain,
some
my friend.
stuff.
And you get right in the trap. The false
You
right.
want
So that
to
means
say,
that means there isn't a rare disease that most people read about with 3 nipple.
yes.
Somebody come show me them 3 nipple, no, please. Cause everybody will know, you know, my family, my friend, them, every one of them have 2 nipple.
Okay, say I watch boobs and
As long as I not touch them, not suck on them, I'm cool. We watch them.
okay. Okay, final question.
I can't believe they're not who wants to see
I forget
3
the
nipple.
last one right now.
Yeah.
Go up with a bang.
You want to see who have 3 nipple?
Go up with a bang.
Alright. Nipple play can lead to an intense orgasm,
Oh, yes.
especially if the nipple is pierced.
Oh,
True.
yes.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, man, male or female.
You guys are correct.
Especially look at ice.
Oh, hey, move further with that.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, running, please.
So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And
As they
share.
said before, check out Flavorful's Adventure. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.